Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. For your relationship, we have one card. I'll leave it here. And for your career situation, this is the card. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that, Leos. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's favor link in the description. So you can contact her. She is a very good intuitive reader, Leos. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Nine of Spheres in reverse, Four of Spheres in reverse, and Lady of Suns. So in your circumstances today, Leos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have someone strongly supporting you. It may be a woman, it may be your sibling, parent, or a friend, or it may be your person you love. So this person is supporting you, guiding you, and they are someone you can trust because they have good intentions towards you and they are truly concerned about your welfare. So you can trust this person, Leos. They are here to help you in whatever way it's possible for them. So you can trust their ideas and suggestions. Listen to them. That will help you in your circumstances. And also, you are maybe indulging too much in something. Maybe you have some kind of obsession. It may be some habits. If it is something health oriented, something like a detox diet or exercising, it can be good. But if it is something that is not good for your health, like drinking or smoking, you need to keep a check on these obsessions you have. So it may be your energy or someone's energy, and maybe you want to change yourself. Maybe you're trying to change yourself, but still you have this obsession overpowering you, or you feel really out of control sometimes. Sad that you are unable to control the way things are going in your life today, Leos. So you need to keep a check on these habits if it is your circumstance. And maybe you may see some delays in your work circumstances. Some kind of obstacles may be there. You need to work really hard, make a lot of efforts. But if you are someone with perseverance, if you are someone working with focus in your future, you are going to see changes. If you can just wait, whether these storms you are facing right now in your relationship or in your work circumstances, you are going to change. Situation is going to change for the better. So let's see what is the love guidance for you all today. Sorry guys. A change in the wind. So this may be quite an emotional time for you, Leos. Maybe in your relationship you may see this person arguing with you, or you are arguing with them. Maybe you may go through a difficult time, stormy moods and rough seas. Maybe the circumstances in this relationship And you need to see this circumstance as an opportunity to understand yourself and opportunity to understand the other person also in a better way, and be assured that this is a temporary situation. Things will change, things will become better, and everything will be fresh and new again. All you need to do is just make yourself calm, wait for the right time, and understand that this circumstance will also change in your life, Leos. So, for your career, we have this card, Go the Distance. So, this just means that you need grit and perseverance in your circumstances, in your work. You need focus in your future, plan ahead for the future, and have a very broad outlook. Maybe you should not only make the efforts for today, maybe efforts for 10 months down the line, what you should be. So you must plan all that ahead, because this may be the right time for you to do that, and you will be working towards greater prosperity and success. So that is the energy here with this card, Leos, for your career. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, please. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, Sunstone. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you need to free yourself of all that old patterns, maybe the past hurt, whatever was holding you back, whatever was limiting your potential. And you need to understand that you can do anything you set your mind on. So you need to feel really positive, and you need to break away from all those obstacles that is holding you back, that is making you stuck. So if you are feeling little toxic in this present relationship, and you feel that this relationship is not working, you are free to move away from it, start a new one, or transform this relationship into something which you love, something which you want it to be. You can never control another person, or you can never control a set of circumstances, but you always have a freedom of choice. So this freedom includes stopping the way you are going about your life, and connecting with the higher spirit or universe, asking for guidance and help. So that way you'll be making a good choice, a best choice. And there are no limits for your skills and talents, guys. So there is no limit, same way there is no limit for love. So if you want a better circumstance for yourself, you need to free yourself today, and you need to understand that a much better circumstance is waiting for you, and you need to give up all that past hurt or past negativity, whatever is holding you back. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the goose girl. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances, it may be your energy or someone close to you, it may be their energy. Maybe someone has wronged this person very badly and they are creating a lot of troubles for this person because of envy or jealousy. But you need to understand that a true loving heart will always triumph, and truth will always triumph, and justice will be done no matter what your circumstances are. And people love you for what you are and not for your status or not for the possessions you have, but for that true loving nature of yours. And if someone is really jealous and envious and doing wrong things to you, things to someone who is a truly innocent soul, truly kind soul, that jealousy and envy will go back to them and it will not affect this person, guys. You need to understand that. And truth will be revealed. And there is no one who can copy you today, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and no one will be able to copy us or step into our shoes. So we have our place in this world, just like each and every one of us as our own place, and there is no one who can take that place. You can be rest assured of that, guys. So that is the energy here with this card. And maybe today, whatever problems you are facing, very soon it is all going to change. It is all going to resolve, guys. So this may be your energy, or it may be someone really close to you. It may be their energy here, guys. So they have been really wronged by people who are simply jealous or envious about them. But everything will be back to what it was, to that good state like before, very soon, guys. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.